We all have been feeling stuck and lost because of pandemic that is going on right now. At some point of time, that it feels very helpless. It feels like we are stuck, we are lost in our life, and we are directionless. But today's topic is not about feeling stuck or lost in life because of what is going on in the world right now. Today's topic is more about feeling stuck or feeling lost in the life as human being in general, as something which happens to everyone, and how we can cope with it. So let's get to it. Welcome, I am Rituja, and this is my special space where I talk about spirituality, my journey of self discovery, yoga, and all the random stuff. And if you are interested in this content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get to a topic. Most of us, we have this mindset, including me, that we are the only one who have problems in our life. And we see ourselves as someone who are directionless, and we see others as hustling. But the truth is, everyone is just trying to live their life, doing their best. And it is very normal that on certain day it hits you that why are you doing what are you doing, and you do not have the constructive answer. And it's totally okay. We all feel like that. It's human nature. Feel lost or feel stuck. One of the reasons might be you have too many options or too many opportunities. You just don't know what you want to do in your life. You just don't know what you like. And the era that we are in right now, with the scientific and technological developments that we have right now, there are too many options. We are the most prosperous generation, I can say that. And it's very difficult to choose when you don't know what you like, when you don't know what you want to do, when you have so many options and so many opportunities. And it's totally okay. Everyone is going through that. But the thing is, there's so much opportunities are also being a reason behind our distress. There's so much opportunities, and the things that we are surrounded by are making us decision fatigue. Or another reason might be maybe on a certain day it hits you and that you have been working hard, but you still don't feel that you fit into the so-called perfect life of the society, the so-called perfect life term the society has made. You think that you have to fulfill uh, every expectation that the society or everyone has on you. You think that you have, it is your duty to fulfill everything as everyone tells you to do, and it's like a burden on you. So the question here is, how do I identify this so-called thing or feeling of being stuck or feeling lost? First step is to take action. You cannot just sit there and expect that something will happen magically for you. You need to take action. Book called The Subtle Art. The author has given this equation, and it goes like: action leads you to inspiration, inspiration leads you to motivation. Without taking action, nothing is gonna happen. Don't just sit there. Do something, and the action, the inspiration, and the motivation will follow. The second thing is, the most of the time we have this negative emotion behind doing or behind taking any action, which also leads to procrastinating. And and to get out of it, what you need to do is you need to understand this one thing. There is this book by Zig Ziglar. The book's name is Over the Top, and he says that it's not where you start, it's where you finish that counts. So stop worrying about what are you doing right now. Just take the action. It doesn't matter what you are right now. What matter is the final result. Not exactly final result, but what matters is the journey. Although we don't know what the future is a mystery, should always have the courage to take a step. We should always have a courage to take the next step. I have stick this thing on my cupboard saying that it goes like a small step every day. Remember small step every day. So I can always look so that I can always be reminded about that I have to take small steps every day so I won't be procrastinating. This thing about not thinking about future or not expecting something is also in this law of attraction, which is also called as the process of letting go. This letting go process actually helps you to manifest what you actually want. The next step we can take or we can identify is when there are too many opportunities or there are too many options for you, what you can do is just minimize everything. Just take a break. Opt for a minimalistic lifestyle. If you don't like it, just try it for a period of few days. Just see how it feels to do just the bare minimum, or to have the bare minimum wherever you want, wherever you need. We are constantly overstimulating our mind, and our brain is very tired because of this thing. As I have said in my earlier videos that our brains like easy things. So simplify everything that you do, simplify the decision making process, simplify just every little single thing. I have been following this thing from the book called Magic, and it is the magical to-do list. And with that magical to-do list, I have also been starting to make a not to-do list. I have seen many influencers do this not to-do list, and the results they had were amusing. So I also started to incorporate that into my daily list. I think you should give it a try. The fourth and the most important is your perspective towards your life. How you saying one thing can change everything. Feeling lost, feeling stuck, being lost is normal. Actually, being lost is a blessing. Because you don't know which direction you want to go, so there are many doors open to you. You can actually explore many ways even before finding what you like. I got to know this thing from the YouTube channel Lavender, and she explained it very beautifully. She said that when you don't know what your passion is, go to what you're curious about. Once you know what you're curious about, passion can be developed later, and it's really beautiful. If you're stuck with I don't have passion for anything in my life, then just go towards what you're curious about, try new things, and then you can later develop your passion. So the next time when you feel stuck or when you feel that you're lost in your life, or when you start to question yourself that why am I living this life? What is my purpose in my life? What should I do with my life? Tell yourself this one thing before doing anything, that it's okay to feel the way that you're feeling right now. It's totally okay. Life is not about just one color. Life is every color. So just try a little more and appreciate every aspect of life. Give yourself a little break. Go for a quiet walk. Do yoga, practice meditation. Yoga and meditation definitely, if you do it in the right way, definitely helps you, because yoga and meditation is something which doesn't just works on your physical, but it helps on your mind and even beyond that. Life is beautiful in its good as well as bad moments. Give permission to yourself to be who you are. Embrace yourself, embrace life, embrace everything, good and bad, and say yes to the life, whatever may come. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment your views in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Till then, see you.